Hello kids, today's topic is multiplication and division of fractions. So multiplying fractions, I have divided into two categories with the whole number and with fractions. So whenever we are multiplying with the whole number, we write 1 as the denominator of the whole number and then multiply it with the fraction. So 6 into 1 is 6 and 1 into 5 is 5. This you have already practiced in your previous class. Next example is 12 into 3 upon 5. So 12 into 3, 1 into 5. So what will be the answer? 36 upon 5. Now to convert 36 upon 5 into 7 whole 1 upon 5, that is a mixed fraction, you have to use the method of division. So 5, 7 times is 35 and 1 is the denominator. So we get the final answer as 7 whole 1 upon 5. And in case of fractions 3 upon 4, 2 upon 3, we are multiplying these two fractions and we will just multiply the numerators separately and denominators separately. So we have got the answer as 6 upon 12. 6 and 12 have HCF as 6 or a common factor as 6. So I can divide the numerator and denominator with 6 and get the reduced form or the final answer as 1 upon 2. I am taking one more example, 1 upon 7 and 3 upon 5. Again, when I multiply these, I get 1 into 3 as 3, 7 into 5 as 35. So 3 upon 35 is our final answer. So product of two fractions is product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Next heading is meaning of off. Off indicates multiplication. For example, 1 upon 4 of 100 is equal to, we have changed off into multiply. The operation used will be multiplication. So 1 upon 4 into 100, again we have written 1 as a denominator as 100 is a whole number and we get the final answer as 100 upon 4, which can be further divided and we get the final answer as 25. The next topic is very well known, reciprocals. Reciprocal of a fraction when multiplied with the fraction gives 1 as the answer. Now you might get confused with this, but it is simply as 7 upon 8 is the fraction and 8 upon 7 is the reciprocal. And when we multiply two of these, we will get 1 as the answer. Our next heading is division of fractions. So I am taking some of the examples here, like 7 upon 4 divided by 14 upon 3. So always remember the division sign changes to multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the second fraction. So I have changed division sign into multiplication by taking the reciprocal of 14 upon 3. So it changes to 3 upon 14. Now I can clearly see that 7 and 14 can be divided with 7 and I get the final answer as 3 upon 8. Another example is 24 divided by 8 by 9. So 24 into 9 upon 8. 8 by 9 changes to 9 upon 8. So 24 can be divided with 8. 8 1 times 8. 8 3 times 24 and the final answer is 27. Next topic is division of mixed fractions. So whenever I have to divide a mixed fraction by another mixed fractions, the first step is to convert it into improper fraction. So I have converted this as 25 upon 7. How do we do it? 7 into 3 is 21 plus 4. Final answer is 25 upon 7 divided by 5 by 2. This becomes 5 by 2. And when I change into multiplication, I get the final answer as 10 upon 7. Now I can change it into mixed fraction as we have learned previously. Now in this exercise, in the next exercise, we have some of the question which have multiplication and division both. So there is one question, one example here. This multiplied by this divided by this. So first of all, I have changed the mixed fractions into improper fractions. And I have changed the division sign here into multiplication sign. So always remember when you have division and multiplication both in the sum, first we operate division and then we proceed to multiplication. So division is changed into multiplication and then I have finally solved it and I have got 3 upon 8 as the answer. 9, 1 times 9 and 7, 2 times 14. Now multiplying the numerators, I get 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3 and 4 into 2 is 8. So the final answer is 3 upon 8. Our last topic for today is complex fractions. What are complex fractions? Like a upon b divided by c upon d. This means a upon b divided by c upon d. I have just changed this form into this form. And when I change the division sign into multiplication, I take the reciprocal of the second fraction.